Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve this equation 9 plus hash square minus 4 is equals to 30 and we have to find the value of hash. So let's start with today's video solution. So we have to find the hash. So I am going to isolate this hash square and take all the terms to other side. So that side is 30. If we take this negative 4 to other sides, positive 4, and if we take to this positive 9 to other side, negative 9. So hash square is equals to 30 plus 4 is 34 minus 9. So hash square is equals to 25. Now if I'll do square root both sides, with the help of the square root we move. Hash is equals to plus minus root 25. We can write it at 5 square. So hash is equals to plus minus 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question or puzzle, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.